We're here in Louisiana, just spoke at Tulane. Some common themes from the interview so far really are that the people that are the happiest, they've gone through difficult things, right? They've gone through unfortunate situations, but they're really now doing what they truly want to be doing, not just what they think they should be doing. They've shifted their mindset to a place of looking for the good in their life, the positivity, the opportunity, rather than going into this state of complaining, of negativity, of stress. So those are the two common themes. It's been really, really good to see. From Louisiana, going to be heading to Texas, and then up through to the Grand Canyon, to California, all the way up, and then make my way back to Boston. So American happiness is alive and well. We're going to
Bump.
What
Frenchman
Street? Frenchman Street.